My name's Danny. I'm calling for Pat.
Pat no longer works in this office.
I'm not surprised. Was David drunk a lot or high a lot? Because I talked to him a couple weeks ago and he didn't seem right. Commercial real estate. Guy sounded high as a kite, so I guess I talked to him, right?
Yeah.
He's a real estate agent, and a minute later, he doesn't work for the company anymore, and he hung up. Come on, how do I not remember this? He might have been drunk.
Yeah.
That's exciting. That's my kind of guy.
Yeah, he wasn't all there that day.
Thanks for, well, he probably never all there. Let's see if he's better now. Here we go. Stand by. Hi, this is Danny for Pat.
Could you say that again, please?
My name's Danny. I'm calling for Pat.
Pat no longer works in this office.
I'm not surprised.
Can I help you with something?
I hope so. My name's Danny. Who's this?
This is Cheryl. I'm the office manager.
Hi, Cheryl. I'm interested in leasing
Hi.
some space. I understand that it's under your purview.
Uh-huh.
I want to become a tenant.
And you want to be a tenant? That sounds good to me. Danny, what size of space do you need?
Well, specifically, Cheryl, I'm after Coin Laundromat there, and that is my business. That's what I do. So I'm interested and intrigued in discussing potential leases where laundromats exist because I don't want to buy the business. I don't want to give someone cash for a failure. And if it's not a failure, if they're doing well, if they pay the rent, God bless them. But I've scouted this store.
Mm-hmm.
I've been inside of it several times. My partner and I do that. We walk in. It's open to the public. When we see broken equipment, homeless people, poor procedures, they don't turn the air conditioning on. You know, there's a myriad of issues that to me are pretty obvious. They're failing.
You man, you're always choosing a gun over a remedy.
It don't really much matter what I choose.
I want to reach out to Cheryl and see if and when a lease becomes available, if we might be able to talk terms. Then I sign that lease, renew it with new equipment, spend a bunch of money on that instead of buying a failure, and I have yet another successful laundromat. So call this an introduction. This is the beginning of that. And this isn't the worst laundry I've seen. It's far from it, but it's certainly not the best. And to be clear, I'm not asking about your rent rolls. I'm not trying to figure out what's going on with your tenant. But in a store like this, they're not doing well. They're not really serving the community. And at the end of the day, maybe today, tomorrow, next year, next week, we talk terms and it becomes yet another one of my successful stores, if any of that makes any sense.
Spoken like a true sinner. Well, hell, don't matter much out here. Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, right?
Okay. I would need you to talk with Mary.
Okay.
She's the general partner.
So does the group run the laundromat? Do you operate it because it's the same name?
No, we're the property managers.
Okay. So that's a tenant.
They just happen to use the name.
Yeah. I mean, it's like every other name in Colorado is Aspen, even though they're nowhere near Aspen. I get it. How do I get in touch with lovely Mary?
Well, I can have her give you a call.
Please. Do you see my number on the caller ID, or do you want me to repeat it?
I don't see it on the caller. I see it until I pick up the receiver, and then it disappears.
Got it. All right, Cheryl. My name is Danny
you can give it to me.
D'Angelo. My cell phone is the only number she needs. That's 480. Have Mary Swan.
And D'Angelo is your last name.
That's correct.
Yes.
Danny, D-A-N-N-Y. Was David drunk a lot or high a lot? Because I talked to him a couple weeks ago and he didn't seem right.
That I could not tell you. I've been with the company for 34 years. I left for a year and a half, and I am back.
Good. You weren't around for the David time?
No, I was not.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm glad you're back, Cheryl. Have her give me a call.
Okay.
With your endorsement.
Yes.
We'll talk terms or see what's what. I appreciate your time a lot.
Okay, no problem. I'll have Mary give you a call, Danny.
Welcome back. Thanks.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
you're welcome. Bye.
Fucking drunken David. Well, some people, they drink while they work.
Yeah.
What are you gonna say? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. All right, dude. When I hear back, I'll give you a shout.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Later, bro.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.